Welcome to the instructions video for the Anti-Reflection Coating Quarter Wave Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you design thin film coatings that minimize light reflection on optical surfaces like lenses, mirrors, and solar panels using the quarter wave interference principle. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter a few key values. First, input the refractive index of your substrate material, such as 1.52 for standard glass. Next, enter the refractive index of the surrounding medium, typically 1.0 for air. Then specify the wavelength of light you want to optimize for, such as 550 nanometers for visible green light. The calculator will determine the optimal refractive index for your anti-reflection coating using the geometric mean formula and calculate the required physical thickness of the coating layer. The results show you the ideal coating parameters to achieve minimum reflection at your target wavelength. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.